Kachura Fish Farm produces rainbow trout fish in Baltistan region and sells it to nearby hotels and restaurants. Trout fish produced in Gilgit-Baltistan is very famous among the tourists visiting the region. Kachura Fish Farm is one of the largest farms in Baltistan region and covers a total of 3 to 4% of the total market demand in Gilgit-Baltistan. Considering the business opportunity at hand and no major competition, the business plans to open its own restaurant next to the farm in order to start serving grilled fish to tourists on site. To do so, it plans to purchase furniture, barbecue equipment, and construct a kitchen. This will enable the business to increase its sales significantly. It will also be able to create 5 direct and 200 indirect jobs while supporting 60 other businesses along the